What is up, everyone? This is SodaBuster26, and welcome back to Car Crushers 2. There was a huge update to the game where they did a brand new design, and I cannot wait to show you of the brand new Car Crushers 2. I'm here with my good friend Elevator Guy 5500, and today we are going to do a tour of the brand new Facility Island. Let's get started. So anyways, first off, we're going to start with the energy core. And someone just started following me. Okay. Same core room. Yeah, ignore that. Alright. Now let's move on to the next one. Controls are the same. Core is same too. Yep. Anyways, on to the next one. Alright, now let me get a car. Let me get that Cadillac I was in. Okay, give me a second. Oh, there it is. Let's wait for it to load. Okay. Alright. Now, where did Elevator go? There he is. Alright. Let's roll! Wow. Unbelievable. Same. I love this update. Oh my god. Panwells is probably the most favorite person I have ever did. Well, I have ever favorited. This is the best game ever. And I apologize for the lag because my computer's performance is slow. Dude, this is amazing. I freaking flippin' love this update. Yay! Wow. This is unfriggin' believable, folks. This is probably a YouTube first. Oop! Just damaged my car. Whoa! Whoops. That was a mistake, folks. Let's go check the stunt bar. Lol. Let's go see the stunt park. See if anything has changed there. Well, stunt park's the same. The stunt park is the same. Yep. Wow. I freaking love this update. Alright folks, we're almost out of time, so we're gonna stop here. Until next time, well, I don't know. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. This is Nintendo. I mean, yeah. Blah. I can't talk at the moment. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. This is Soda Buster 26. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Say bye to YouTube. Okay. So anyway, see you later, guys.